at it shine! Wow, it's magic! Good job, Annie! It's sparkling!
Annie was a lovely 3.5-year-old girl. She loved drawing and coloring. One day, while drinking juice, she accidentally spilled it on the table. The table became sticky and dirty. Mom said lovingly, "Annie, we should keep our things clean." Annie picked up a small pink cloth and started cleaning. As Annie kept cleaning the table, it began to look shiny. Happily, Annie said, "Wow, so clean!" Then she cleaned her toy shelf as well. The teddy bear also looked very cute after being cleaned. Annie also wiped the dust from her study table. Mom said, "Well done, Annie. When we keep surfaces clean, germs stay away and the house looks beautiful." Annie was very happy. She learned that cleanliness is a good habit. Now she cleaned the table every day after meals. At night, Annie hugged her magical cloth and said, "Clean house, happy house." Lesson: cleanliness keeps us healthy and happy.
Thanks for watching, everyone. Annie or Safai ka?